Hi, today I'm going to be talking about deleting orders. So cancelling orders that are still open but haven't been filled yet to create a position. So the idea is that we have here an instrument and we have four orders on that instrument and we want to delete all the orders under that particular instrument. So the code would be something like this. So we have here we have the class, we have an initialization of the class, we're getting the working orders to show basically what orders we have, and then we're deleting all the orders under this epic. Now this will be particularly useful if you have something like um, you're not sure whether there was a connection failure and one of your orders that were necessary didn't go through, or you are trying to create exit orders in a sequence and the sequence didn't output itself correctly. So you would delete all the orders and redo the sequence you wanted to do. So going into it, you can see here we're getting all the working orders. We then do a mask on the data frame we get. So we're basically saying get the data of the epics, check if the epics are the ones that we want that we've specified in the parameter. If they are, create a mask on this data and put all the data values that seem to fit this mask to equal to data, and then loop through the deal IDs under the data and delete each order one at a time. So we're looping here, we then go into here, we're then getting the deal ID, we're then doing an IG, we're calling an IG API function where we delete the order based on the ID. And then here you can see the IG call logic where it sends a request. Yeah, it returns back a response. Um, there may be there's a reason why I've put there's no while loop here and there's a none, because there are possibilities that the order itself was cancelled or IG's API just refuses to delete the order. It's happened in the past, so that's why I haven't made it a while loop here, but it's just a simple try and catch. It may work or it may not work, and if it does work, then all good. If it doesn't work, then that order will still exist as open. So in that case, it would print out a response as an error, and then I guess while we're testing it, we would put in some other cases in the higher level algorithm to check for these type of cases where an order wasn't deleted, and then see if we can put any safety cases around that so that we can delete out of that position or delete out of that order later on. Yeah, so we return the response back to us. Um, yeah, okay, so let's start debugging this then. So we have this here, um, initialization, getting all the working orders. You can see we have a data frame. That's not very clear. Um, you can see those 1, 2, 3, 4 makes sense. Let's loop through that. Get all working orders. Essentially what we did here, um, and then we then do a mask on that. And essentially what the mask looks like, just to give you an idea. So obviously all of them match it, but there may be a case where there was an open order in another instrument and then that would be excluded out. Yeah, so we equal that to data. We then loop through all the deal IDs. So you can see here's the first one. We then go into here, delete that working order, run it through the IG call logic. Um, you can see the order was deleted, success, accepted, and status was deleted. Yep. And then you can see it goes into the next one, and you can see on the other side the order's been deleted. You see the other order's been deleted. Other order's been deleted. and that one's been deleted as well. Okay, so you can see here as well, all the orders have been deleted. Okay, fairly simple stuff. Yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching.